Welcome back. For today's video I am going to be doing a Queen of Hearts makeup look. So I've already done my eyeshadow. You can literally do this however you want to do it. I thought that simple would be best just because I don't want to take anything away from the special effects that we're going to do in a second. Little side note before we get started, I am not a professional. I've never been to college or university and done a course on this. You know, I'm not qualified is what I'm saying. But I enjoy doing it, so here we are. The things that you're going to need are a pack of cards, of course. I have already taken out the Queen card and ripped it up a little bit because it's going to be going here like it's stuck out of my head. You will also need some lash glue, some liquid latex, and this is optional, but you can use some like cotton balls just to make it look a bit like, you know, it's actually coming out of your skin. Ugh, disgusting. It will also give the illusion of like ripped skin and all that disgustingness. You will also need something dark, so for this part I'm going to be using a liquid liner instead of face paint just because it's going to stay on my skin better than face paint would. Let us begin. So we're going to take our Queen of Hearts card, however you want to rip it. If you want to rip it you don't have to, and just work out where you want it to go. It could go here, have it sticking out your cheek. You could do like a love heart that's, you know, bleeding and have it stuck out the side of the love heart. You can have it in your neck, coming out the side of your mouth. I'm going to have mine here. And once you've decided where you want yours to go, you're going to draw a line to just map out the bottom of where you want it to be. Perfect. Once you've done that, you want to take your cotton ball and just unravel it into little tinier bits. It is very fluffy and lots of little fibres come off, but as long as your face isn't still drying or setting, shall we say, it shouldn't really matter. Once you've unravelled it, it'll be like a little stick of cotton wool. This is what we're going to use to stick over the liquid latex, which is going to give us that beautiful, gory, ripped skin disgustingness that we're after, okay? Now we're just going to tear up them little strands of cotton wool and just stick them over the top. You should only need a tiny bit of this, so you can use something else like tissue or anything that's like soft and disintegrates or whatever the word is. So anything like that will do. Now for the fun part, which is sticking on our Queen of Hearts card. For this part, we're going to use eyelash glue. Very simple, very simple. All we're going to do is put some eyelash glue on the back of the card here. I use black eyelash glue because I cannot stand that shiny thing that it leaves when you use like clear. Why is it leaving this shiny mark? I don't want shiny lashes. Who wants shiny lashes? I don't want my false lashes to look shiny, like that is the opposite of what I'm going for. So once this is dried, so it should take like, you know, 30 seconds, no longer than that really. We're just gonna stick it to our head like that. Voila! Looks a bit sinister, doesn't it? If you find that the corners are sticking out a little bit, then you can just add some more cotton wool just at the sides here, just to make it look like it's actually in your head and not just stuck on like we have done. So that's what I'm going to do because I'm not completely happy with the way that these corners are. So let's do that together. I'm happy with that. I think it looks cute. Halloween cute, okay, don't come for me. Now here comes the fun part of adding our face paint and fake blood. So let's do that. your girl's actually misplaced her fake blood, so we're going to use this Revolution lip gloss to try and add some shine to this bloody look. We are finished, so I'm gonna go do my lip combo and my eyelashes, and then we will be back with the final look. But like, how cute and easy is this? Oh my god, it's such a good creative Halloween look, and it's so quick to do. Okay, I have literally done this whilst I am waiting to collect my son from school, so about an hour, and we're practically done. Amazing. And this is the finished look. I am absolutely obsessed yet again. It came out way better than expected, especially given the fact that I had to use face paint instead of my fake blood because I've misplaced it, and the lack of special effects makeup in general. If you would like me to redo this but with fake blood, then do let me know in the comments, because I will find it probably tonight, probably about half an hour after I've finished filming this video, but that's just how my life and the world works. So we're gonna let it go, we're gonna breathe, and we're gonna move on. Build a bridge, get over it, all of that. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe if this channel is your vibe. Love you, bye. Mwah.